I'm Brian Joslin, and we're at Eastwood Summer Classic 2024. The Summer Classic is Eastwood's annual open house. We've got a car show, we've got some of our third-party vendors that we work with, our retail stores open with specials, and it's just an all-around great time for car people. So in addition to the car show, our R&D team is showing off some of their latest products in the back, and we've got 3 great metal crafters here showing off their skills on our equipment today. We've got Sean Rose of Rose Metal Works, Ryan Krause of Crucible Coastworks nearby, and we've got Jamie Jordan, a master metal shaper, who's come from out of town to show off his skills today. So here at Eastwood, we are the home of DIY auto restoration and repair. So we have tools, finishes, and all kinds of equipment for restoring a car at home yourself. We do the Summer Classic every year in July. You can always check out eastwood.com/summerclassic for the latest details.